up, guys? I'm Race Butters, and this is the tire temperature monitor. The main problem this solves is having to guess whether your tire is warmed up or not. When your tire is cold, it doesn't grip the road as well, and especially when you're at extreme lean angles, your tire is prone to slipping out that way, making you fall this way, which hurts a lot. Or, if you drive more like me...
How does Uncle Race drive a motorcycle?
When you go to do a wheelie, if your tire isn't warm, it can spin and spin and spin, which makes you do a rolling burnout, very dangerous, and sometimes it can even catch all of a sudden while it's spinning, lifting the front end of the bike up a lot. It's terrifying. So for our purpose, we want the back tire as hot as possible. Let's take a look at how this is all set up. Here we have the user input, which is just a keypad from the Arduino kit. Here on this side, we have a cutout for the screen, which acts as the display for this project. This here is the sensor housing. Inside, there is an infrared temperature sensor. There's also a servo motor, which opens and closes the door, keeping the sensor safe when it's not in use. This box holds the brain of the whole project, which is the Arduino. It is connected to everything else in the project and controls it all. Now, let's see it in action. To turn the system on, we simply hold A. A brief opening screen is shown before the mode, temperature, and status are displayed. We can see we are currently in tire mode, and it is showing the temperature of the tire, and the status is within the hot boundary. A similar screen is shown when we enter ambient mode by pressing B. We can see that the mode has changed to ambient. We can see the ambient temperature and the status. Lastly, we can edit the ranges menu by pressing D. We have entered ranges mode, and we can see there is a low, mid, and high temperature option that we can edit. Let's edit mid by pressing 2. We enter a value of 75 and select pound to save. Now going back to tire mode, we can see that the status is now within the warm boundary. Now that the tire is not in the hot boundary, let's get our helmet and let's change that. We are now back in the hot range. We are now in the hot range. Now that our tires are warm, let's do what we actually came here for.